Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Oppo A15s, and in this video I am going to show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just open our Play Store because we have to install Green Apple Keyboard app from here. So you have to install this app. Now we have to open it. Here, as you can see, we have to enable Green Apple Keyboard. Here we have to switch to Green Apple Keyboard. And that's it. So now look here, and I'm gonna type something. I'm gonna have here Apple Keyboard, and I even have iPhone emojis. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!